From the sugarcane fields to the factory, through transportation, warehousing, and retail distribution, every step.
The journey of sugar begins here, in vast green field, where specialized harvesting machines precisely cut standing.
A little higher on the conveyor. Keep the flow steady.
Checks complete, Supervisor. All secure.
Good. Signal the driver, let's move.
Maintain current speed, convoy. Watch the spacing on the left turn ahead.
Ensure the safety supports are clear. Guide the flow to the center conveyor.
Adjusting the tilt now, Supervisor.
With the containing unthickened.
This initial stage is critical. We monitor the pressure constantly to prevent blockages before it hits the main rollers.
The initial wash is critical. High-pressure jets remove the field debris before the milling process begins.
Check the pressure on manifold 3. We need to maintain uniformity for the best yield.
Check the pressure gauge, make sure it's stable. And clear that blockage on the left.
Yes, Supervisor. Adjusting the nozzles now.
After washing, the sugarcane is carefully aligned on the conveyor, ready to enter the cutting and juicing machines, marking the start of the extraction process. The washed sugarcane stalks enter the cutting blades, initiating the vital first stage of the juice extraction process.
Try increasing the feed speed on the rollers. We want to maximize the juice extraction. Okay, I'm adjusting it now.
With the final cutting complete, the sugarcane juice has been efficiently extracted, marking the completion of this stage.
The final filtration stage removes all impurities, ensuring a completely pure liquid, ready for clarification.
Adjust the bypass valve slightly. We are exceeding the target flow.
Understood. Adjusting now.
The sugarcane juice has now been fully clarified, free of impurities and cane fragments, making it ready for the next stage in the processing line.
Check the valve settings. We need to maintain the flow rate into the heating tanks. The levels are stable now.
The color is consistent now. Ensure the heating stays precise. Yes, Supervisor. I am monitoring the flow valves closely.
Increase the steam flow slightly on tank 3. We need to maintain the amber color consistency.
The sugarcane juice now being fully concentrated, achieving a rich, dark amber color and thick consistency.
Adjust the cooling rate on tank 3. We need uniform crystallization.
Check the vacuum levels on pan 3. We need to maintain the temperature precisely at 80 degrees. Adjusting the steam now. 结晶完成了，保持搅拌速度，确搅均匀。
好的，主管。
The sugar mass is now fully crystallized, displaying a rich dark amber to light brown color.
Ensure the transfer is smooth and uniform into the centrifuge.
Understood. I am maintaining the setting.
Ensure the water flow is precise. We need optimal clarity.
Adjusting the valve now, Supervisor. The crystals are brightening significantly. Ensure the flow rate is steady for the drying section. Yes, supervisor. We are monitoring the moisture levels.
Ensure the moisture levels are consistent across all hoppers.
We are monitoring the sensors closely, and the flow is steady now.
We have a slight variation in the flow on this side.
Adjust the valve slightly and confirm the consistency.
Yes, the crystals are uniform now.
This batch is slightly uneven. Check the lower mesh for blockage.
I see it. I'll clear it now and recalibrate the flow.
Check the flow rate on sieve 3. It looks inconsistent.
Right away, supervisor.
After meticulous inspection and adjustments, the sugar has achieved uniform crystal size and thickness, fully white, and ready for precise packaging.
Ensure the flow remains steady. We need to adjust the gate on the left for even distribution.
Adjusting the speed now, supervisor.
We need to increase the speed slightly on line 2.
Right away. Calibrating the flow rate now.
After precise filling, inspection, and sealing, the sugar is fully packaged. This uniform white sugar
Okay, the count matches the manifest. We are clear on row 5.
Confirmed. Moving to the next pallet.
With every pallet inspected, labeled, and secured, the sugar is now safely stored. This final step ensures
The trucks are now fully loaded with white sugar pallets, ready for distribution. Every pallet has been secured and keep coming back easy now. Hold it right there, we have contact. Check the pallet alignment inside.
Clear on the left, keep coming back slowly.
Put it right next to the others in Bay 5.
Roger that, setting it down now.
With final inspections complete, the sugar pallets are now approved for distribution. Each pallet is verified for quality.
Convoy 7 is approaching checkpoint 3. Advise ETA at the retail hub.
Gently now, easy.
Confirmed. Move to the staging area.
All sugar pallets have now been safely unloaded and positioned at the retail staging area. Supervisors confirm proper alignment.
到，向左一点。好了，turn。
All sugar pallets are now securely loaded and ready for transport to retail shelves.
The sugar is now perfectly arranged and ready for consumers. Supervisor confirmed the display meets.
Ensure bags are handled properly. Check for any spillage and guide the customer safely. Customers have now completed their purchases, and staff continue to monitor feedback and product handling. Verify all counts. Cross-check damaged bag records. Prepare summary for review. All inventory has been verified, feedback has been logged, and quality standards are maintained.